Xfinity.com/remote. It didn't do that, so gotta put on /remote. Choose XR11 voice remote. Scroll down and then continue. Gotta start with the TV. Select from the list. Click on the brand. Hit continue. Follow program your remote using RF pairing. 1, 2, 4. After doing that, you need to go to program your remote using a code. Follow the instructions, and then I use the 10810 to set up the TV and everything. And then click on complete. Next, I went to the sound bar. Did that, and then did the audio. Clicked on Sony since the soundbar is Sony at home. And then after that, I skipped the program remote using the RF pairing. Went on to the program your remote using a code immediately. Followed the 1-2 step, and then I used the 31759 code for the sound bar. And then it started working. That's all.